Who is East Coast Sport Marine? East Coast Sport Marine is your ultimate destination for all things outdoors, from camping, hunting, and fishing to hiking and beyond. Craving something with a bit more horsepower? Well, we've got a fleet of ATVs, side-by-sides, golf carts, scooters, and dirt bikes ready to take on any terrain. Discover the East Coast's most epic selection of kayaks, canoes, and paddleboards. Prefer the open water? Well, say hello to your new Mercury Marine distributor. From state-of-the-art motors to hard-to-find parts for your classic engines, we are your go-to source for all things marine. But we're not just about gear. We're about service. From marine mat custom boat decking to expert mechanical work, upholstery, detailing, and more, our dedicated team of pros is ready to make your experience seamless. Get what you want when you want it. Experience the East Coast Sport Marine difference today.